Did you know the average business owner in the US only makes $59,000 a year? If you're working long hours, but you still have a running to-do list of things that are just not getting done, something has to change. That something may be a right-hand person, so you can leverage your most valuable asset, your time. If we haven't met yet, my name is Kirsten, and along with my business partner, Jeannie, we help business owners learn how to automate, outsource, and market their businesses so they can scale and earn more personal income. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified each week when we post a new video. Let's talk about those tasks on your list that are not getting done. From working with hundreds of business owners, we've come to realize that marketing is always on that list. Marketing always gets moved to the back burner, and that's costing you hundreds of thousands of dollars, and it eats away at our self-confidence and our self-worth. When you have tasks on your list like marketing and you know they're not getting done, you realize it's costing you money. I didn't have to tell you that, you know that. But it's so hard to figure out how to get it all done. And that's where a marketing virtual assistant can come in. It's amazing what someone else can do to help you grow your business. So think about all of those tasks. Maybe you want to start a YouTube channel because you know video marketing is spot on. Or you want to start email marketing consistently. You have 1,000 people on your list, but you're not staying in touch with them, and you know that's costing you money. Or you want to be more social on platforms. You like to start posting more often, creating stories, or engaging. Engagement is so important on social media, but it's something that so many business owners just do not have the time to do. And then we beat ourselves up, right? Well, a marketing virtual assistant can help you get all of these things done. And this allows you to work with a really solid marketing strategy. It gives you time to really look at the metrics to make sure what you're doing is producing results. And if not, change your strategy a little bit. It helps you get out in front of all of your customers, your prospects, and your past clients on a regular basis, making you look like a rock star business owner. One of the things we often hear from our clients who are in networking groups is that they love the fact that the other people in their networking groups who are on their email list are often coming up to them and saying, "Oh my gosh, your emails look amazing. How do you get an email out every week? I went and looked at your website and you're blogging and you have a YouTube channel and you're on Instagram and Facebook. How are you doing it all?" And it makes them feel so good, and it makes them realize that other people, other business owners are really respecting them because they see that they're getting their marketing done. That also gives that person confidence to refer you. The more professional your business looks, the more referrals you're going to get. And isn't that the whole reason you're out networking? One of the things I love most that our virtual assistant does is engagement. It's awesome because she's out there engaging, commenting on other people's channels, sharing their posts. She's doing things that are making other businesses notice us. And these are people that we can collaborate with because we have the same target market. And what happens is she starts the dialogue, but once it takes off, I'm able to jump in, or Jeannie, and then we can really start to build that relationship. But if you've ever worked on engagement for your business, you know it takes a while to get someone to really engage back with you. So sometimes you're DMing them. Again, sometimes you're sharing their content, or you're commenting on their post and liking them. Whatever it is you're doing, it takes a little while for them to notice you. And this is something your virtual assistant can do for you so that when it starts a conversation, you can jump in and take over and build that relationship. There are other things that your marketing virtual assistant can do to get those tasks off of your list. For example, they can confirm your appointments. It always stinks when someone stands you up for an appointment, but if you have your marketing virtual assistant email them and remind them, they're more likely to show up. They can also keep your CRM up to date. Let's face it, everyone has clients that they haven't put into their CRM yet. They've got the best of intentions, but they just haven't gotten around to it. You can delegate this to your marketing virtual assistant, so your CRM is always up to date. Same thing with your email server software. So if you're using ConvertKit or MailChimp, your marketing virtual assistant can add people to your list. And to be honest, so many of our clients would have never built YouTube channels if it weren't for a virtual assistant who can do their editing and take care of transcribing the video and uploading the video and creating the thumbnail and marketing the video. So many business owners want to be on YouTube, but they just don't have the time, or they don't have the skills. And this is one thing I want to address. I often have people say, "Well, don't I need to know how to do that in order for my virtual assistant to do it?" The bottom line is you do not need to know how to edit a video or to use Canva. You simply need to learn how to delegate properly and give constructive feedback until those things look the way you want them to look, until they're on brand for your brand. So again, you don't have to know how to do these things. And doesn't that make sense? I find that so many entrepreneurs waste so much time learning skills that they often don't use. They spend a ton of time learning how to use Canva and then they're not really using it because marketing is not getting done. Or they'll spend hours and hours and hours researching editing software and then learning how to edit a video, only to find out that they hate it and they don't have time for it. That simply doesn't make sense. You as a business owner need to stay in your unique genius, doing what you're great at, and delegate those other tasks. Hopefully you can see that a marketing virtual assistant can not only get those tasks off of your list, but they can really help you build your brand and help you generate leads. And this is how you're going to scale your business and increase your income. In the comments below, I'd love to hear, if you hired a marketing virtual assistant, what would you want them to do first? Help you get a YouTube channel up and running, get your email marketing out, help you catch up with your CRM? What would you want them to do? What would be the first task that you'd want to delegate? Another way that hiring a marketing virtual assistant can help you build your business is by helping you build your confidence. Over the years, I've heard so many wonderful things like, hiring a virtual assistant made me feel like a real business owner. By having a marketing virtual assistant, I feel less isolated in my business and I'm far more creative. Another thing that so many business owners suffer from is imposter syndrome. I was talking with one of my clients the other day and she said I always felt like a fraud. When I hired my marketing virtual assistant, my marketing was getting done. I wasn't beating myself up and feeling bad about what I was doing because my tasks were getting done. Because my marketing was getting done, I was bringing in new clients and I love working with my clients and that always makes me feel confident. So by hiring a marketing virtual assistant, she really overcame imposter syndrome. And to me, that's just amazing. Another one of my clients was telling me how some days she gets home from work and she's just tired and wants to just zone out and watch Netflix, even though she has work to do. But what happened was she started working with her virtual assistant. They would check in each evening. She would review what her virtual assistant had done. And to her surprise, she started feeling more motivated. She said, I don't know what it is, but after talking with her and just seeing all the tasks that are getting done and just seeing how excited she is about helping me with my marketing, it really keeps me fired up and motivated, even when I'm really tired. So I thought that was kind of cool too. Now I want to talk about how Marketing Virtual Assistant can help you simply because they free up your time. If you don't have all of those tedious tasks to do, what could you do to drive revenue? Could you offer a new service, create a new product, add on affiliate marketing? What could you do to create multiple streams of revenue in your business so that you could scale it even faster? These are all great things to think about, and you'll have more time to strategically think when you have a marketing virtual assistant. I hope this video was helpful. If you'd like to learn more about hiring a marketing virtual assistant, we've created a guide. It's called Double Your Income with a Marketing Virtual Assistant, even if you're on a tight budget. And we'll put a link in the description below. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to our channel. This lets us and YouTube know that you like our content. And until I see you in the next video, dream big.